In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Retool. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way for users to pick a file and send it straight to Retool storage, all with a single button. First, let's add the interface element we need. Open your app in the editor and place a File button component on the canvas. You can find it quickly by searching for File button in the component panel, then drag it into position where it fits your layout. Give the button a clear label like Upload File, so users know exactly what it does. If your app expects certain formats, set the accepted file types in the component's properties to limit choices to things like images or PDFs. You can allow multiple files if that suits your flow, but if you only need one file at a time, keep it single select for clarity. Adjust size, color, and icon to match your app's style, and make sure the button is easy to see and accessible. Now, let's wire up the behavior. With the File button selected, go to the right side inspector and set the action type to Upload File for Retool storage. This tells Retool that when the button is used, it should take the chosen file and push it to your Retool storage destination. Think of Retool storage as a secure, built-in place for your app's files. No extra setup needed. In the action settings, choose or confirm the storage location and define where the file should land. You can specify a folder path, such as an Uploads directory, and you can customize the file name. It's a good idea to include something unique in the name, like a timestamp or a user-provided identifier, to avoid collisions if multiple users upload similarly named files. Decide whether to allow overwriting. Leaving it off helps preserve previous uploads. If the component offers a setting for when to run the action, keep it tied to the button click after file selection so the upload happens immediately once the user picks a file. A couple of tips as you configure. Keep the accepted file types aligned with what your downstream processes expect to prevent errors. If you'll surface the uploaded file later, use a consistent folder structure so it's easy to reference. And if your app serves a broader audience, include a short helper text near the button to indicate any size limits or format requirements. That's it. You added a File button to your app and configured its action to upload file using Retool storage, turning a single click into a smooth, secure upload experience.